Hello everyone, welcome to the Average Trader channel. My name is Alex and in this video I'm gonna show you how to buy Yooshi token in both mobile and PC. And before we start, make sure to hit the like and subscribe button, and if you had questions just simply comment down below, I will answer them. So now let's begin. So right now you can buy Yooshi on Hotbit Exchange or wallet. And if you don't have a wallet, just simply go and watch my video about how to create a crypto wallet. And if you have a wallet already, just simply skip this step. So for buying Yooshi in PC, you need to have metamask wallet. And in metamask wallet, you need to add Binance Smart Chain Network to the metamask. And for doing that, just simply press on metamask icon, then press on expand view. And here press on button above and then press on customer PC and fill this as I did, and I'm going to put this information on the description so you can copy and paste it easily. And after you done that, press on save, and now you can see smart chain. Now if you press on smart chain, you can see your Binance coins, and the reason we did this because the Yooshi token is based on a smart chain and we need to have a smart chain network on our wallet. So now simply transfer your Binance coin to this wallet, and now you're ready for buying the coin. So for buying the coin, head over to yooshi.io website, and on the website press on Buy Yooshi, and in this page press on I understand and hit continue. So now press on connect wallet and choose metamask to connect your wallet, and after you done that, just enter the amount of BNB you want to buy the Yooshi. And after entering BNB amount, all you need to do now is press on confirm swap and you're done. But if you want to buy it on your phone, just simply open trustwallet, and in trustwallet go to the apps section and scroll down till you see pancake swap, then press on pancake swap and wait for it to load. And after connecting your wallet, paste the token address like I did here, and the Yooshi contract ID is on the description so you can copy and paste it easily to enter it here. And here just simply enter the BNB amount you want to swap, and after entering the amount you just press on confirm swap and you're done. So guys, that was it for buying Yooshi token in both PC and mobile. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe now because we have a giveaway upcoming, and by subscribing you just simply enter to the giveaway. So thank you all for watching. Peace out.